Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to initiate a project kickoff using teamwork.com. First off, log into your Teamwork account. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to set up. This is where your project begins. It's essential because it's the platform where you'll manage your project and coordinate with your team. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. It's the command center of your project. From here, click on the Add Project button. This is the first step in formally initiating your project. Now that we've done that, you'll be prompted to name your project. Choose a name that's clear and concise so everyone knows what they're working on. The reason we do this is to maintain clarity and keep everyone in the loop. Next up, you need to set the start and end dates for your project. This helps us because it gives a timeline for everyone to follow. Remember, a well-planned project is half done. Once you've set the dates, invite your team members to the project by entering their email addresses. It's crucial to have everyone on board from the get-go, so there's no confusion later on. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. An email invitation is sent to each member to join the project. Lastly, hit the Create Project button to finalize and kick off your project. This is the final step where your project becomes live. This is when your team can start collaborating and working towards the project goals. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to initiate a project kickoff in teamwork.com. Remember, a good kickoff sets the tone for your entire project. That's it for today. Until next time, keep working together and making progress.